Built strong and built to last, the Allan crop cart is engineered for maximum productivity across multiple seasons. This powerhouse handles up to 65,000 pounds of product, giving you the capacity to keep your operation moving at peak efficiency. Available with the optional 7-foot wide Scott's Evolution cleaning table system for extreme cleaning capacity in all conditions, electrically powered via a genset to allow precise control and consistent power, eliminating the problem of inconsistent hydraulic power. The extendable swinging boom reaches effortlessly into high and low-level boxes, planters, carts, and trailers, adapting to whatever your operation demands. The seed loader attachment transforms this cart into an efficient planter filling station during seeding season. The innovative control system provides ease of operation and precise control of all functions from one set of controls. Superior flotation comes standard with tandem axles riding on massive 750/60 R30.5 tires, ensuring stability and minimizing soil compaction even under the heaviest loads. The Allan crop cart. Contact Allan Equipment today to maximize your farm's efficiency year-round.